RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Pak. Today, I will teach you how to draw a scooter parking space. Tools and materials: broom, spray paint, marker, polypropylene board. First of all, you must tear off the tape that was originally on the ground. Then, clean the entire site and take out the polypropylene board. After measuring the distance, fix the range with the polypropylene board, and then draw a line with a marker. Then take out the spray paint. Fill the entire frame with spray paint. Tips. Why do we use spray paint? Because stickers will fall off easily and the floor will become sticky. Therefore, using spray paint won't be easy to be destroyed. Finally, wait for it to dry. It's done. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.